Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all kids? How are your video classes going on? I hope you are learning a lot from your teachers. Okay, today we are going to continue our previous topic, that is factorization. And today we are going to learn HCF. Now in our previous topic we had already learned how we find the prime factors, and we learned two methods of doing prime factorization, that is factor tree method and division method. Today to find HCF we are going to use division method. HCF means highest common factor. Okay, we have to find the factors, then the common factors and HCF. This method you have already done in class 4, where we find all the factors, then we find the common factor and the highest common. Now here what we are going to do is, we are going to do division method, find the prime factors of each number, and then we will find the common factors for that. Okay, so for that first we will find the HCF of 28 and 64. First we will do prime factorization for 28 and then we will do prime factorization for 64. Okay, 28. Let's do the prime factorization. In my previous video I have told you how we do division method and we find the prime factors. First we divide this number with 2. When we divide 28 with 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 14 into 2 is 28. I told you answer we write down. Divisor we will write here, and the number that we have to divide we will write inside. Okay, the answer we will write it down. So when we divide 28 with 2, we will get 14. Again we have to divide 14 with the prime number. Okay, so 2 will divide, 2 is the prime number and 2 will divide 14. 2 sevens are 14. Now 7 itself is a prime number. So 7 will be divisible only by 7 or 1, right? But since we need a prime number, we will divide 7 with 7 and 1 is the answer, remainder that we get. We have to stop over here once we get 1, right? So the factors, prime factors of 28 are 2, 2 and 7. Same way we will do prime factorization of 64. 64, divide first with 2. 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. When we divide 64 with 2, we will get 32 as the answer. Again we will divide 32 with 2. Okay, when we divide 32 with 2, we will get 16 as the answer. 16 into 2 is 32. Again we will divide 16 with 2. 2 8s are 16. Again we will divide 8 with 2. 2 4s are 8. Then again we will divide 4 with 2. 2 2s are, then 2 1s are. So these are the prime factors of 64. Okay, we will note it down. For 28 we have got 2 into 2 into 7. Okay. And for 64 we have got 2 into 2 6 times. 2, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now we will take only the common prime factors. So common prime factors, which are they? This is the common one and this. Okay. So we have 2 into 2 as common factors. Okay. So highest common factor HCF is equal to 2 into 2 is 4. This is the answer. So the highest common factor for 28 and 64 is 4. Okay. Now we will try for 3 numbers, that is 12, 24 and 42, which is the highest common factor. Okay. First divide 12. We will use division method and we will divide 12 with the prime number, that is 2. 2 6 are 12. Then again 2 will divide 6, 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is a prime number, so 3 will be divisible only by 3. So 2, 2 and 3, these are the prime factors of 12. Okay. Now we will do it for 24. prime factors of 24. When we divide 24 with 2, we will get 12 as the answer. Again we will divide it with 2, we will get 6 as the answer. Then we will again divide 6 with 2, we will get 3 as the answer. And then 3 will be divisible only by 3. So 2, 2, 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 24. Now we will do it for 42. First divide it with 2, you will get 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 21 as the answer. Again, now we cannot divide this 21 with 2, right? 2 will, in table of 2 we do not get 21. So what we do? The next prime number we have to check, that is 3. In the table of 3 we find 21, right? So 3 7s are 21. We have to take only the prime numbers to divide. Okay, so that's why I have taken 3. 3 into 7 is 21. Now 7 is a prime number, so it will be divisible only by 7. 7 ones are 7. So these are the prime factors. 2, 3 and 7 are the prime factors of 42. Now we will see which are the common factors in all the 3. Okay. First we will list it out. 12, we have the prime factors 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. Okay. For 24, the prime factors are 2, 2, 2 and 3. And then for 42, the factors are 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. First we can see the common factors for all the 3. In all the 3 we can see that this 2 is common. Correct? So that we will write first. Then we can see here next 2 is common in only 2, not in the third one. So we cannot take that. Okay. Then 3. 3 we have common in all the 3 numbers, right? So we are going to take 3 also. It should be common in all the numbers. Okay, we should find that in all the 3 numbers. So 2 and 3 are the common factors, common prime factors of 12, 24 and 42. Now we will find HCF. HCF we will get by multiplying these common factors. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 is the HCF of 12, 24 and 42. Now this is how we find HCF by using division method, prime factorization by division method. I hope you have understood what we have done. Children, keep practicing these concepts. Inshallah, we will meet very soon with our next topic. Till then, be at home and be safe.